everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, we are going to be talking about the L'Oreal Instant Glowing Serum. It is with niacinamide and 1% glycolic acid. So I'm going to be breaking down all the ingredients for you, and I'm going to be telling you if this product is worth purchasing. Before we could jump into the video, I would request you all to follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as a YouTuber as well as an influencer to grow higher and to reach out to the more audience so that I can explain them how does the skincare formulation actually work. So let's just jump into the video and let's see what are the different ingredients. The first ingredient is water, then the second ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It plays a very good role in holding the water into the skin and moisturizing your skin. The next ingredient here is alcohol. So alcohol is not well tolerated by the sensitive skin type. Alcohol leads to more dryness, and when it gets vaporized, it takes the water droplets also with it. So it leads to more dryness. Hence, it is a serum. I expect it not to be formulated with alcohol as it is targeting the reduction of dark spots. So when there is more dryness on the skin because of alcohol, this can also lead to more pigmentation or blemish marks on the skin. The seventh ingredient here is niacinamide. So niacinamide has a lot of skin benefit. It helps with the reduction of fine lines, it helps with the uneven skin tone, it helps with removal of the blemish marks. So it is an excellent ingredient in general. But over here, after alcohol comes the niacinamide. So niacinamide is around less than 5%, which is an adequate percentage to work with for different ranges of skin type. So it is excellent. And then there is the alpha hydroxy acid, that is the glycolic acid. So what happens is like alpha hydroxy acid, like glycolic acid, its molecular size is very small. It penetrates deeper into the skin and then it can trigger the melanocytes. The acids play a major role in bringing back the skin texture, a healthy skin texture. They remove the dead skin layer and they help to have an even skin tone. So what happens when the glycolic acid with a smaller molecular weight penetrates deeper into the skin? For skin of color, it can be alarming as it can reach to the melanocytes and trigger the melanocytes, and that can lead to more hyperpigmentation. That's why glycolic acid is not a good choice for skin of color, but for Caucasian skin, it is an excellent choice. It helps with a lot of skin problems, whether it be acne scars, whether it be dull skin. So it's excellent for Caucasian skin. But for skin of color, this whole, I did not like the alcohol in it. I did not like the fragrance in it, which I'm going to be talking about next. So I saw that in higher percentage, there is limonene, and then there is fragrance element, and then there is linalool. So these three ingredients are not really good. I don't enjoy applying any skincare formulation with fragrance in it, but there are people who like fragrance, but I don't support it because this can be a causative agent of contact dermatitis, and fragrance is one of the allergen that can lead to your redness on the skin. So this is not really a good choice for sensitive skin type, definitely. And also in the ingredient list, I saw that there is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. Now, this is a type of vitamin C. It helps with the reduction of blemish mark and uneven skin tone. So vitamin C, glycolic acid, and niacinamide all together is like targeting towards the uneven skin tone, reduction of the pigmentation mark. And I think that it's a good formulation if they step out the alcohol, the fragrance from it. To be honest, like they say that they did the study and 57% of the results showed a beneficial role of this serum. But in my opinion, I don't believe it because there should be a backed science behind it. I'm a scientist and I need a proper paper, a published paper to say that this serum does a good job and this formulation works well for the darker skin types or a particular skin type like Caucasian skin. To be honest, I really did not like this formulation, and I did not like that they have added the fragrance and alcohol. The dry skin types should not use it. The sensitive skin types should not use it. And the normal to dry skin type people in between that range should not use it. So these were my thoughts about the L'Oreal Instant Glowing Serum. I did not like this formulation, and I think L'Oreal should work on their formulation, especially when there is sensitive skin type who are using it. This will show results probably on the people who have combination to oily skin type, but still alcohol on oily skin type is still alarming because it can lead to more sebum production. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye. Okay, now my dog is really annoying me. I want him away from me. Can you move away from me? Hello? Hello? I'm making a video. Can you stop? Oh my god. Neo, stop it. I'm making a video. You can't disturb me when I'm making a video.